Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. With 6 days to go for Christmas, Grammy winner Shaggy has released the deluxe edition of his Christmas album, Christmas in the Islands. The album now has 4 additional songs, which put the total track list to 19. The album seeks to share the Caribbean's take on Christmas music. The deluxe version was released via his Mr. Lover Lover label with distribution by BMG. Now, the original album was released last year for the holiday season and features some of Jamaica's top talent and includes some big names like Beenie Man, Junior Reid, Romain Virgo, and Neo. The deluxe version incorporates renowned Trinidadian artist Bunji Garlin, who is featured on the single We Three Kings. There's also Amazing Christmas, which features Hannah Breer, produced by Costi, Nothing Like the Holidays, and Silent Night featuring Sting. CEO of Down Sound Entertainment Joe Bogdanovich is hopeful about the return of Reggae Sumfest for 2022. In an online article, Mr. Bogdanovich says he is prepared to deliver a solid show which will continue to raise the bar of entertainment locally. The event, which is dubbed the greatest reggae show on earth, was staged virtually in 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. However, Reggae Sumfest was cancelled this year due to the ban on entertainment events as well as the country's low vaccination rate. Despite the uncertainty for next year, the festival is being advertised for July 20 to 23 at its home in Montego Bay, St. James. Eastside dancehall artist Skillibeng has signed a publishing deal with RCA Records. This will see his music being promoted worldwide. The partnership covers production and distribution on the international stage and is being dubbed a major deal for the dancehall genre. RCA Records is an American label under the Sony Entertainment Music Group. The label has recently teamed up with Protege's Indignation Collective label, which includes Lila Ike, Savannah, Jazz Elise. Grammy-winning reggae star Coffee also has RCA as her US licensee. The deal comes on the heels of Skillibeng's newly released project Crocodile Teeth the LP, which features international stars Bobby Shmurda, Rich the Kid, Steph London, Popcorn, and Spice. Now, reggae singer Joker will be detained for another 83 days in a Dutch cell. Yesterday, the Council Chamber of the Amsterdam Court extended the pretrial detention for Joker until the middle of January next year, when he will be summoned to appear in an Amsterdam court. Joker will be in an open session to answer charges related to an alleged stabbing incident in the Netherlands. Joker was arrested October 2 following the incident. I am Daedran reporting for E Prime.